In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Spotify to Serato DJ Pro. Now to do this, when you open up your Serato DJ Pro, you first want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel. And then from here, you want to go to the third tab up top, which is called Library plus Display. Now what I usually like doing here is under Music Streaming, I usually click on this check mark, which is called Show Streaming Services. And what this is going to do here is it's going to show them over here on the left, but of course only those that are selected. So if I actually go back in here, as you can see, I currently have Apple Music selected. If I go and click on Spotify over here, and if I go back, Spotify is now over here. And now to actually add it and connect it, you have two options. You can click on Spotify over here, and then click on where it says Start Trial or Login at the bottom right. And of course, this is going to redirect you to their official website on Spotify, and you'll be able to just sign into your account from here just like this. And of course, once you sign in, it's going to get connected. Or you could also go to the settings cogwheel up top, and you could go and from Library plus Display, you could just click on Spotify and then click on the sign up or log in to Spotify, and it's going to open up the same page where you can log into your account, and then Spotify is going to be added to your Serato DJ Pro. So that's how easy it is, and then you'll find it over here on the left. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.